Okay, here's that 88 FJ62. Got the body off the frame and took it down yesterday to the wash rack, pressure washed it off, cleaned everything up again to get a better look at what's going on, what we're up against. The front here's got some surface rust on the top side of the frame. The bottom looked pretty good, but we'll get that treated and cleaned and sealed and all fixed up. Coming back towards the back here, the top of this cross member's got some surface rust as well. That'll get the same sort of treatment. The shock tube as well. So all along this left side frame rail, on the top as you can see, and then on the inside, same sort of thing going on. And then you got down here in the C channel, you got some delamination going on. So that'll get taken out. And I think Trail Tailor makes a kit for that, so I'll probably use their kit and fix it up rather than fabbing something up myself and spending more time. Same thing on that back cross member. Now the reason for this, it all seems to be mostly on the left side, and there's the reason right there. So the tailpipe doesn't come out the back of the truck, so it's dumping all that corrosive gas up underneath the body. It gets trapped there and it starts rusting the frame as well as the underside of the body. So if you've got a 60 or a 62 and your tailpipe doesn't come out in this area all the way past the bumper, or sometimes people have them turned out this way, it needs to come all the way out from underneath the body, or it's just going to be dumping that gas up underneath there. And not only are you sucking that carbon monoxide inside the body of the truck and you're breathing it, it's also rusting your metal. So even if you're not worried about the carbon monoxide, at least be worried about the frame and the body on your LandCruiser. Over here, the body, I'll show you that real quick. It does the same thing to that. Right up in that corner, you can see that's the deal. Same thing. This side, it's got light in the way, it's pretty good. But you have to imagine when the exhaust comes out, if it doesn't come out all the way out the back, it's getting up in here and it's just staying there. You know, it's just staying there for as long as it needs to condense and then finally drop off. But it does do damage. So this is pretty filthy. I'll put this on my jig, put it on a trailer, take it to the wash rack too, but that'll probably be another video.